Hello guys, how you doing? This is Ogai Kimula. As you can see, this is Fidelity 5.0. We're on boom 600. So let us kill this market. We're still waiting for, okay, this is what we've been waiting for. We're currently waiting for the confirmation. Then we open our positions. Patience is key on this game, guys. Patience is key. Okay, yeah, thank you. I didn't want to waste any time. I didn't want to waste any moment. This is so. Let me close those ones. Let me close those ones. Let me use my phone so that it can be quick. So these are our profits, guys. Those are our profits. Just like that, we made money. Thank you. I'm out. Just WhatsApp the number that you see on the screen. Thank you, guys.